Hello, boys and girls. I hope you are doing great. Our lesson today is Song 2 in Module 3. Today, we are going to identify the rule of the present progressive tense, and we are going to use the rule of the present progressive tense in speaking and writing. This lesson is in your student's book page 31 and workbook page 30. Let's start our lesson with a quick recap of some words. Look at this picture. What is she doing? She is playing on the swing. And this one, what is he doing? He is sailing a boat. Excellent. What about this picture? What is it? Feed the ducks. For example, she is feeding the ducks. Okay, what did you notice here? What is added before the verb and after the verb? Excellent! We added the verb to be is before the verb feed, and we added ing after it. Actually, this is called the present progressive. When do we use the present progressive tense? We use the present progressive for actions that are happening right now. And here we have some key words to remember, like now and at the moment. There are also some words that indicate that something is happening now, like the word look. For example, look, he is reading a story. This means that he is reading a story right now. Another example, they are meeting online at the moment. And now, let's learn how to form the present progressive in the affirmative form. First, we need the subject, and the subject can be a noun or a pronoun. And then we need the verb to be, and we need the main verb, and finally, the ing. Let's start with the pronoun I, and the correct verb to be form is am. Excellent. Then the main verb eat, and finally the ing. For example, I'm eating pizza now. Let's move to the pronouns he, she, and it. What is the correct form of verb to be that comes with he, she, and it? Is. Excellent. And the main verb, play, and finally the ing. Let's see the sentence. He is playing football now. Finally, the pronouns you, we, and they. And the correct form of verb to be that comes with you, we, and they are. Excellent. Then we're gonna add the main verb, for example, jump, and finally the ing. Let's see our sentence. Look at this picture. What are they doing? Excellent! They are jumping the rope now. Let's imagine that the form of the present progressive tense, just like the butterfly. Do you think that the butterfly can fly with one wing? Of course not. Just like the form of the present progressive tense. So, in the left wing, I will write the verb to be am, is, or are. And in the body, I will write the verb. And in the right wing, I will write the ing. For example, he is throwing the ball now. Is in the left wing, which is the verb to be, and throw is the verb, which is the body of the butterfly, and the ing is the right wing. So every time you write a sentence using the present progressive tense, I want you to make sure that you used the left wing, the body, and the right wing of the butterfly. And now, are you ready to practice? Let's go! In this activity, you are going to read the sentences and choose the correct verb form. Number 1. He study now. So, now is the key word of the present progressive. So, what is going to be the correct answer? Study, or is studying, or are studying? What do you think? Excellent, is studying. Now, I want you to pause the video and answer number 2 and 3. And once you are done, come back to check your answers. Welcome back. Let's check your answers. Number 2. They cook at the moment. Which one? Excellent, are cooking. And number 3. The cat sleep right now. Which one? Great job, is sleeping. Excellent, boys and girls. And now, let's learn how to form the present progressive in the negative form. We're going to start the sentence with the subject or the pronoun. And we need to add the verb to be plus not, because our sentence will be in the negative form. So, we have to add not plus the main verb and at the end the ing. Let's start with the pronoun I. And the pronoun I takes the verb to be am plus not. So it becomes I am not plus the main verb eat and at the end the ing. Look at this picture. Am I eating pizza now? Excellent. No, I am not eating pizza now. I am sleeping now. Let's move to the pronouns he, she, and it. What do they take? Excellent. Is not or isn't. And here, isn't is the short form. And then we're going to add the main verb, which is pray, and at the end, the ing. Let's see our sentence. Look at the picture here. What is he doing? Is he praying? No, he isn't praying now. He is driving his car. And finally, the pronouns we, you, and they. What do they take? Excellent. Are not or aren't. And here aren't is the short form. Then we're gonna add the main verb, which is study. And finally, we're gonna add the ing. Let's see our sentence. Look at the picture here. What are they doing? Are they studying? No, they aren't studying now. They are playing now. And now, are you ready to practice? Let's go! In this activity, you are going to read the sentences and complete them with the correct negative form not. Number 1. He play football now. Look at the picture. Excellent. He isn't playing football now. He is doing karate. Okay. Now, I want you to pause the video and answer number 2 and 3 by your own. And once you are done, play the video again to check your answers. Welcome back. Let's check your answers. Number 2. They stay at home now. Great job. They aren't staying at home now. And number 3. She sleeps at the moment. Great job. She isn't sleeping at the moment. She is watching TV. Are you ready to practice more? Great! Open your Students Book page 31, Activity 2. In this activity, you are going to read the song again and underline the present progressive. I will answer the first one as a model with you. Look, she is feeding the dogs. Okay, now I want you to pause the video and try to underline all the present progressive in the song, and once you are done, play the video again to check your answers. Welcome back. Let's check your answers. And she is eating some cake. What else? Excellent. They are sailing a boat. And the next one. She is playing on the swings. Excellent. And she isn't reading a book. What else? He is playing baseball with Paul. And look, Jamie isn't throwing the ball. And the last one, he is hitting the ball. Great job, boys and girls! And now it's time to practice from your workbook. Open your workbook page 30, Activity 2. In this activity, you are going to look at the pictures, read the prompt, and write sentences using the present progressive tense. Number 1. Alan and Ethan play the swings. We are going to answer the first part first. Okay, look at Alan and Ethan here. We're going to write the sentence in the affirmative form. Excellent! Alan and Ethan are playing on the swings. Great job! As for the second part of the prompt, they not play on the slide. Here, we are going to form the sentence in the negative form. What do you think? Excellent! They aren't playing on the slide. Great job, boys and girls! Now, I want you to pause the video to answer number 2 by yourself. And once you are done, check your answers. Welcome back! Let's check your answers. Number 2. Mr. Blue and his son sail boat. Excellent! Mr. Blue and his son are sailing a boat. And the second part here, they not fish. It's going to be, they aren't fishing. Excellent! Now it's your turn to answer number 3, 4, and 5 by yourself. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.